Years will fly like the wind, lost in the depths of generations, but memory, you will live on in days of death, in fierce battles, Caucasus, having passed through the flames of years. You became a part of our hearts. We long await the sun's light. When would fate finally smile upon us? But the pain of loss will remain, loss of friends who fell in battle, like the bitter tears of mothers who with strength will cast themselves in prayer. The bitter trace of history's pages. What have we sinned against God for? For the eternal enemy, bringing death, has stood at our threshold for centuries. Chechnya, your pain is still fresh. Chechnya, forever in the flames of fire. Chechnya, the pain of harsh, dark days. Chechnya, the moan of departed sons. Hunger like a deadly wave mowed us down. The foreign land greeted us so in 44. That winter, Chechnya became distant for us. 13 long, terrible years, yet we never lost hope. We were all condemned to death, but we saw our fatherland again. And who will answer us for what? Why are they eternally killing us? An old man, a child, it matters not to them. They don't even consider us human. And still, in the fire of war, thousands of innocents burn. And we swore before God to avenge them cruelly for everything. Chechnya, your pain is still fresh. Chechnya, forever in the flames of fire. Chechnya, the pain of harsh, dark days. Chechnya, the moan of departed sons. And let everyone have disowned us, and let them remain silent in deep submission. For 300 years we fought to the death, and you will not betray this to oblivion. And into battle proudly we will go, and we will meet death without sorrow. And everyone will remember how the sons of the mountains defended their freedom. Chechnya, your pain is still fresh. Chechnya, forever in the flames of fire. Chechnya, the pain of harsh, dark days. Chechnya, the moan of departed sons.